Hi everyone, welcome to the YouTube channel. In this video, we will see how to fix Roblox not launching in Windows 10 and 11. If you're trying to play the Roblox but it does not open, then I'll show you how you can fix this issue. So first you can go to the installed apps and then you have to simply access the Roblox from there. Once it gets open, you will see the search bar in the install app section. Simply search for Roblox. Once you find it, you have to click on the three dots and click on uninstall and simply uninstall it, because if it is having any sort of bug issue or anything, it is better to uninstall and reinstall it. Then you can open the browser, and after that you can simply reinstall it. Once you get to the browser, simply search for Roblox, and once it gets open, make sure you're logged in, otherwise you have to do a login. Open any game and there you will see the icon for the play. Click onto it and then it will ask you to download it. So from there you can simply install a Roblox player. Once it get downloaded, once the downloading is done, then it will just take a while in the installation. And once installation is done, then you are good to go, like you can open it again. Again, installation will hardly take a minute and it will be done. Then you can open it up. But let's say it's still not working, then you can go to the task manager, search for Roblox, and if you find anything running related to Roblox, you have to simply turn it off, and after that you're good to go and open the Roblox play, and this time you will see it will open. It would not cause any issue and you're good to go and play the Roblox game. I hope you find this video helpful and informative. Make sure to subscribe to the YouTube channel for more informative videos and updates. You can leave a like, comment. If you have any queries, feel free to ask. Thank you so much for watching the video.